No me gusta. No me gusta. Sorry about it. I'm a very peaceful person. I'm so excited to be here, but I don't know where to like plug in to charge my phone. And like, I'm supposed to use my iPad, and I only have like 5%. But I cannot find like the socket. And like, where is the aircon? Like,
Yeah.
people told me it'll be really cool.
Can I just pick some aircon to you?
No, my mommy said cooking is bad, and she also said I'm special.
Give me your hand. I'll give you some aircon.
That's it, yeah. You wait for me to go first.
Oh my god, the sun is gone.
Oh my
Good.
God, it's not a tadpole.
Ew, are you for real? Ah! Woo! Woo! Woo!
Can I throw some water?
Could try to walk, could we get close up in control? Come back inside, say it out loud. I never cared for one thing, sit so down. I thought I'd never make you sick. He's the one you talk about, but who's something was said aloud? You were never meant to say.
Please don't baptize me, I'm not Christian. I'm not Christian. Don't do it.
Oh my god, I never want to go home.
I know, right?
I love the water.
This is the best. See? I told you I should like bring you here. You say, no, it's not swim.
Because I'm afraid of the bugs and the leeches.
There's no leech, okay?
There are somewhere.
The only leech is here is...
Walao eh!
Oh look, that's a monkey in its natural habitat. It's twerking.
With long legs.
Twerk.
Hi everybody, welcome to Sunnyside, Kuala Lumpur. Is it Kuala Lumpur?
It's not sunny.
No, it's not Kuala Lumpur.
It's Gapole, FRIM.
Back to game.
Oh, we have a 15th day.
And it's cloudy.
And it's cloudy with a chance
Oh my
of...
Meatballs.
I just saw squirrel. Chipmunk, Alvin.
Alvin. Okay, we're also promoting our new film called Alvin and the Chipmunks 3.
Sucks.
I've been watching too much TV shows, dramas out. Back to you, Jessie.
So how do you feel?
What?
That sounds so wrong.
That's what I said earlier.
Go! Make something interesting for this vlog. You just got baptized, girl. Whoop.
Come on!
You now see two monkeys fighting each other.
Yeah, and it's natural
It's a
habitat.
terrible fight.